Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things that will transform your makeup. Now these are products that I feel like are really going to add so much to your final makeup look and really transform the way your makeup looks. However, none of them are technically makeup products. I wanted to share with you guys some of my top picks for products that I add into my makeup routine that really have just changed the way that the makeup applies or looks on my skin, and these are all things that I stand behind, and I'm really excited to share them with you guys in one video. So let's just jump right in. First things first, when it comes to something that's going to really transform your makeup, I always have skincare in mind because skincare really is the base for your makeup. So your makeup really isn't gonna look as good as it possibly can if your skin isn't prepped right or isn't being taken care of. So there's a few skincare products that I'm really excited to show you guys, and I've talked about a lot of these already on my channel, but these are genuinely products that when I use them, my makeup looks better. Starting off with a face mask. This is one of my very favorite holy grail face masks. It's from a Korean brand called Beauty of Joseon, and it is their ground rice and honey glow mask. It is so good, you guys. Anytime I feel like my skin is looking dull or needs a little boost, especially if I've got a special occasion coming up and I want my makeup to sit well on my skin, I always use this mask. It's such a beautiful formula and it really exfoliates my skin without stripping it. It genuinely makes my skin glowier and healthier and happier. It smells good to me. I don't know. It doesn't have like a fragrance to it. It literally just smells like rice, but it smells good to me. I really love this mask, you guys. Hopefully you can kind of see the texture here. It's a creamy mask. You let it sit on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. You can almost see the little rice granules in here as well. So it gently exfoliates and it leaves my skin looking so healthy and glowy and happy. Again, it never irritates my skin. It is one of my all-time favorite face masks in general. I got mine off of Amazon, but I've also seen that recently they launched at Sephora, so I'll have both links down below for you. I feel like by just applying it to my hand already like looks and feels more healthy. Seriously, don't sleep on that mask. It is so good. Another skincare product that works beautifully under makeup and really makes a difference when it comes to makeup application and the way that my complexion looks throughout the day is this right here. This is a holy grail product for me. This is from the brand RHODE. This is their glazing milk. I love this formula so much. You guys have seen me use it time and time again. It has the most beautiful texture and it gives really great lightweight moisture. It plumps up the skin, soothes the skin, and adds a really nice glow as well. Something I also love doing with this is adding it all over the body. I feel like that's something that, depending on your neckline, can really help you just look healthy and make your makeup look better. It works great underneath makeup. You can also mix it into makeup, but honestly, I just usually use it as a toner before moisturizer, and it's one of my all-time favorite things, especially with the drier months coming up, fall and winter, is when my skin really just kind of shrivels up, so it's important to add a little boost of hydration. In the summertime, you can sometimes even use this on its own if you just want a really lightweight layer of moisture, but I love layering it with my moisturizer, which I will talk about next. You may be able to guess which moisturizer I love so much that really transforms my makeup, and it is this one right here. This is from my brand RAVIE Beauty. We just recently launched this. This is our new Signature Skin Dream Barrier Cream, and it is so phenomenal. I developed it to work with makeup, but also to be something that actually transforms your skin while you're wearing it, whether it is underneath makeup or on its own. It gives you the most beautiful, hydrated, bouncy, plump skin. It has several actives that help boost your skin barrier, which for me is something that really changed the game with my acne-prone skin. It makes my skin genuinely healthier, and it also has an ability to absorb very quickly into the skin, which plumps up the skin and makes it so that when you apply makeup on top, it just has a more smooth application and almost a bounce to it that's unlike any other cream I've ever tried. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with this. Obviously, so much love went into this product and so much TLC went into this product, you guys. Like, I was so picky when developing this, and this final formula is truly something that has transformed not just my skin, but also my makeup when layered with makeup, or you can also mix it into foundation, which is fabulous. It is so good. You can see the gorgeous glow that it gives, but there's no pearl in it. It just is a juicy drink of hydration for your skin. I'm wearing it all over the face today underneath my foundation and mixed into my foundation, and you can see how healthy my skin looks because of this. It genuinely is something that for me changed the way my makeup appears on the skin. Without compromising the wear of my makeup, which was very key for me when developing this. As both a skincare junkie and a makeup junkie, I was like, we need something that's going to actually play well with other skincare products, of course, as it is a standalone skincare product, but also when used with makeup, it improves the look of your makeup as well. I love this one so much. It's so good. Another shameless plug also from RAVIE Beauty is something that really changed the game when it came to my lip prep. I feel like we often focus on the skin on our face, but when it comes to makeup and making your lips look as good as possible, we often skip actually treating our lips. This we developed to be something that actually really changes the texture and smoothness. It increases hydration on the lips. It's got peptides in there as well. So it's almost like the same concept as Dream Cream, where it's gonna actually smooth out the lips. It's gonna improve your lip texture over time, and it's a wonderful way to prep your lips before going into makeup. I love using both of these together as my makeup prep, because by the time I get to my foundation, this has got me covered. And then when I get to my lip combo, if I've got this kind of marinating on the lips while I get ready, it transforms everything and makes any lip combo just look more healthy because there's zero dry flakes in sight when you use this. It's so good. Okay, the fifth product that I want to share that transforms my makeup is a little bit of a cheat because I've got 3 products in here, but in general, the fifth tip from me is the right makeup brushes. Brushes really change the game, and a high quality brush can make the biggest difference. My personal favorite pro quality brushes are BK Beauty. Now, I wanted to feature 3. I have like a full face worth of BK Beauty brushes, but I really wanted to feature these 3 specifically because these alone would transform my makeup. So the first one is the BK Beauty 109 brush. The way that this is shaped is so perfect, especially for cream contour. You can also use it for foundation if you want to. I love that it has kind of like this half dome shape. It's so soft, and when you use it, it just gets rid of any like streakiness that foundation can give. Again, I love to use it for cream contour because I feel like I can flip the brush this way and really press and sculpt the cheeks with this. It is one of the best brushes out there, and I also feel like the size allows me to get into some of these harder to reach areas while still being very precise, which I really appreciate. So this is one of my faves. The next brush I'm sure you could probably guess I was going to talk about, because if you've heard of BK Beauty, you've probably heard of or own this brush. Now this is a brush that they created with Angie Hot and Flashy. It's the A506, and it is the most perfect concealer brush ever. Has a very similar shape to the 109 in that like half dome curvature situation. It is so perfect to buff and blend out concealer to the point where you get precision, you get blend. It is divine. I love this one. And then the third brush that I literally cannot live without is this BK Beauty Nikki LaRose collab. This is their N14 brush, and it is my favorite powder brush. I love using this to set the under eyes. You guys probably see me use this in like every video. Also through the T-zone. It's just the best. Look how perfectly it fits between the brows. It's crazy. I love this one as well. So get yourself some quality brushes if you really want to change the game and level up the end result when it comes to makeup application. BK Beauty is where it's at. I love it so much. Another tool that I feel like is a non-negotiable one for me and I use in between my brushes is a good makeup sponge. Now, I personally really love these from Amazon. These are the Super Soft Paw Wonder Blenders. These are so fabulous. I also love a good beauty blender, but that's way more of a splurge. So to each their own, but this is the most perfect texture, and I feel like when you use a damp sponge, especially in between steps in makeup, you guys see me use a sponge in literally every single tutorial. after setting spray, after powder, just to kind of like press things into the skin. When you use a damp sponge with your cream products as well, it really helps to pick up any excess products so you don't overdo your makeup. As far as coverage goes, you can also use it to press powders into the skin to where it meshes into your skincare underneath even better. You have also seen me use this after setting spray to press setting spray into the skin even deeper, which I feel like helps with the longevity and also the finish of your makeup. I cannot live without a good sponge, and these ones are honestly fabulous from Amazon. I'll have these linked down below. They're so good. The next products are a little more on the makeup-y side, even though technically they're not actual color cosmetics. So the next product that I feel like really changed the game for me, and I feel like I recommend it to everyone and their grandma, is this right here. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer. This really actually changed the longevity of my makeup. It also changed the way that my makeup applied. I love how lightweight this is, but effective this is. If you struggle with the longevity of your makeup and you don't want to have like a heavy primer, this is where it's at. I focus this on the T-zone for me personally because I do have more of an oily T-zone, and it just works. It really does boost the longevity of any makeup that I put on top. I can't live without this, and I love that it's from the drugstore. It is so good, you guys. This is one of my favorites. One of the best launches of the year so far anyway, honestly. I love it. The next game-changing product for me is this brow pencil. You're probably sick and tired of hearing me talk about this, but I don't care because it really changed the game. Technically, this is more of a makeup-y product, but I wanted to feature it in this video because brows frame the face, and the right brow pencil makes all the difference. This is from RAVIE Beauty, which is my beauty brand. This is our easy everyday brow pencil, and I am wearing it through the brows today. I am so beyond picky when it comes to brow pencils, you guys, and this one is my absolute favorite, holy grail. I don't have that many natural brow hairs throughout my brows, so this is all smoke and mirrors, my friends. But the tricky part for me is, or was at least until I made this, it was finding a pencil that actually looked like my brow hairs, that was easy to fill in, very foolproof, had a spoolie on the other side, all the things, was long wear, literally all the things. And that's where this pencil comes in. This really does frame the face, which means you just look more balanced when you have your brows properly filled in. And for somebody like me who doesn't have naturally full brows, it's really important for me, even if I'm not even wearing makeup anywhere else on the face, if I'm wearing this brow pencil, I feel so much more polished, put together, and overall like balanced in the symmetry of my face. It is phenomenal, and I will never not use this. I love it so much. The last two products are a category, yes, but also very specific recommendations. I feel like for me personally, setting sprays really changed the game. And I feel like not that many people spend money on setting sprays or think that they're that important when it comes to how your makeup actually wears, but I'm here to tell you they really, really are. So I have two, actually both from the same brand, because I feel like they both transform my makeup in different ways. The first one is from One Size. This is their Powder Melt Glass Setting Spray. You guys, the way that this makes your skin literally glow and look like glass, I will spray some on right now so you guys can see how pretty it makes the skin look. I love to focus this on the outsides of the face, and I will of course press it into the skin with my sponge. If you want something that adds longevity to your makeup without a greasy finish, this is where it's at. And you don't have to compromise that gorgeous glow. Do you see this? Oh, I love this product so, so much. This really genuinely transformed how my makeup looks. And prior to that, another setting spray from One Size. This transformed my makeup, but in a different way. This is their On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. So you can honestly layer the two, or if you struggle with more oily skin or ultra longevity, this is like hairspray for your face. This for me personally is not necessarily like an everyday product, but it is so phenomenal to have on hand in your collection for the times where you really, really need your makeup to wear all day long. It's an aerosol can. Again, it's literally like hairspray. I like to focus it on the T-zone. You want to kind of hold your breath for a second after you spray it because it's strong. But it will genuinely mattify and keep your makeup looking the exact same all day long. So don't sleep on setting sprays. This one for more of that glow, and then also to have in your kit or collection for the right occasion, this one is really fabulous to keep on hand for extra longevity, and it will transform the way that your makeup looks. Both of these will. Whether you use them separate or together, they are phenomenal. All right, you guys, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed hearing about 10 products that will transform your makeup. I hope you found this helpful. I feel like sometimes I always focus on like the actual color cosmetics, which is very fun and very important, but I really wanted to share with you guys some of my top picks for things that you can add into your existing makeup routine that's gonna really level things up and change how your complexion looks, how your makeup lasts all day, how your makeup applies, and also products that just help improve like your skin underneath your makeup, which in turn makes your makeup look so much better. I would love to hear in the comments down below if there's a product that you feel like transforms your makeup that's outside of the typical color cosmetic category. Tell me in the comments down below if you've got a favorite skincare product, primer, brush, what have you. Tell me in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie. I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, but you want to be notified when I upload a video, click on the notification bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it from me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.